Want to customize your Shopify store but not sure where to start? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the theme editor step by step using only the options available inside Shopify. Open Theme Editor. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. Click Online Store on the left panel. Under Themes, find your active theme. Click Customize to enter the theme editor. This is where you can modify your store's design in real time. Now, let's start making changes. Editing homepage sections. Shopify's theme editor is section-based, meaning you can edit each block separately. Click on a section to modify text, images, or layout. Add a banner image to make your homepage attractive. Customize your product grid to highlight best sellers. Making small tweaks like this helps in branding and creating a better shopping experience. Now that we've adjusted our homepage layout, let's move to the theme settings for more design customizations. Adjusting theme settings, colors and fonts. To make your store look unique, head to Theme Settings. Click Theme Settings on the left. Adjust colors to match your brand's identity. Choosing the right colors is crucial because it sets the mood for your store. A bold color scheme makes it look modern, while softer tones feel more elegant. Next, let's adjust the typography settings. Choose a clean, readable font for your store. Typography is just as important as color. A good font makes your store easy to read and gives it personality. Play around with different styles until you find the perfect one. Customizing the header and footer. Now, let's work on the header. Here, you can upload your store logo for branding. Modify the menu links to help customers navigate easily. A clear and simple navigation bar makes it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. This can even boost sales. Next, scroll down to edit the footer. You can add links like contact, FAQs, or social media icons. The footer is often overlooked, but it's a great place to add important store details. Make sure it's informative but not overcrowded. Mobile View Preview. Before publishing, it's essential to check how your store looks on mobile. Click the mobile view icon. Ensure images and text appear properly. Adjust padding and layout for better mobile readability. More than half of online shoppers use mobile devices, so a mobile-friendly design is a must. Take your time to check that everything looks clean and professional. Save and publish your customizations. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save to store your edits. Click Publish to make them live on your Shopify store. And just like that, your custom Shopify theme is ready to go live. You now know how to customize your Shopify theme using the real options available. Try experimenting with different layouts and colors to make your store unique. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials.